Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aidan Goenya, but popularly known as Ila by my family. Welcome back, guys, to another video. It's a vlog. Um, for first timers, you're definitely welcome. Please do subscribe and comment and like the video. And to the family, welcome back, guys. Honestly, I appreciate you guys so much. Today it's going to be like a little short errands vlog. We're going to go to the mall, my sister and I. She's looking for a washing machine, so I'm accompanying her to the mall to do that. And then coming back home, I need to do a makeup video and a few reels. So I will take you guys along to that. Basically, as you saw, I just did my bed. I haven't actually cleaned. I just did my bed. I'm about to go shower or take a bath, and then I will speak to you guys right after. Yeah, right after that. So come along, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, we are about to leave. Outfit of the day. Oh my gosh. I am wearing a jumpsuit, but I'm wearing it as pants. It's like a open back jumpsuit, but I'm wearing a top and a t-shirt on top. And I'm wearing the famous slides, carrying this red bag. And we are off to the mall. This one, still the same, but it's 4.5. But they're at Macro. It's slightly cheaper. Okay. I think Game was a lot cheaper, and you just go with him and find one. Yeah, I'll go with him tomorrow. These are pretty, you guys. So pretty. So I'm back home. My sister went to her friend's place. Can I tell you? We found the washing machine, but the one that she was looking for, the ones that they had in store, were lay by it already, so she couldn't get it. Then we went to check Home's Home, something like that. They had it, but it was a lot more expensive than the one at Gay. Cool. Then we came back home. I had drama with the Taxify guys. I had drama with the Taxify. The nigga had a different number plate, right? Had a different number plate to what it was saying on my side on the app, right? So I cancelled, requested, he picked it up. But it's me. And I'm like, Buddy, I can see Uti, it's you. Definitely, it is you. The picture says it's you. What are your number plates? Does not say that it's you. I was so tired, and then I was so tired, like I was so over it. I wanted to get home, and then I ended up getting into the car. And it goes, I don't understand what was going on until we arrived. Guys, my arms are so painful. Until we arrived, right? We arrived and dropped me off. Then he's like, okay, let's check it on my side. We'll see what's the problem. Did we not check? I get it. He works with two other cars. Did we not check and see that he selected the other car's number plate instead of selecting the one for his car, of which that means he blocked the other guy who's driving that car. He blocked that guy from working. And then he realized, oh my gosh, so that guy probably hasn't been working the whole day because he chose his number plate. But he was sweet, Shem. He was sweet and he kept apologizing. And I was like, no, it's okay. But you do understand that there's people out there that obviously would not get in because of that, you know? But he was sweet. And then, yeah, so I'm home. I'm about to do the makeup tutorial. So you guys, I am believing that this is coming before the makeup tutorial. So do watch out for that video. Yeah, so let's get ready. And then I was like, no, grab what you guys are going to need and get snacks and whatnot and whatnot. So obviously we went, you know, when somebody says get what you need, you will buy something that you generally don't use on an everyday thing, but because you're not buying it, you're going to buy it. So this is the end of our video. It is honestly a short video, a short vlog, but I honestly hope that you guys enjoyed it. As you can see, I've done my makeup, which means I've done that makeup video. Do look out for it. It is coming right after this one. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do hit the like button. It helps with the traffic to my YouTube channel. If you did like it, do subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Mwah. And there goes the lighting because I'm holding the curtain. Bye, guys.